Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 117 Main Street in Spencer, Mass, Unit 10 on the 3rd floor. And I just want to start off by showing you the inside of the unit. So once you come in here, it's kind of like main living room, dining room area. And then you've got 2 bedrooms on the left side, a bathroom on the right side, as well as a closet over there. But this is kind of what it looks like when you first come in here. Lots and lots of work to go in here to make everything look clean and new. So we've got stainless steel fridge, the dishwasher, oven with the microwave hanging over. So kind of like full set of appliances there. And then we'll take a look at these bedrooms. So bedroom number 1, you walk in. And this is what it looks like. So high ceilings, high ceilings in the entire building. And over here is the other bedroom. Yeah, so you got the closet over there, high ceilings like the other room. Definitely enough space for like a big queen size bed, maybe a king size bed. I mean, you'll have an easy enough time getting that kings through these large doorways and hallways and everything. Yeah, so take another look at that. When you turn around, this is kind of the view from the back. And there's the closet, and here's the bathroom right here. So a nice shower setup, definitely nice cabinet setup and everything. So it's got like the place where you can sit. And this is what it looks like from the back as well. And yeah, that has been 117 Main Street in Spencer, Unit 10 on the 3rd floor. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.